Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I asked you guys on Instagram to send me questions that you are too afraid to ask your mom, and my mom will be answering those questions for you guys today. Shall we begin? Are you ready? Someone asked how to get over a breakup.
It's part of life. You mourn, you feel bad, remember good times, and then you move. Don't sink with it. You're too young.
What do moms think about dating? What according to them is the perfect age to start dating?
Never.
Mama, answer it like a normal person.
Yeah, never. At least 18. Because you're kind of ready with a lot of things. You're little, you've experienced a lot of stuff, you are a little more sensible, you're a little more stable. That's a good age.
I wasn't 18 when I started dating.
You were a baby.
Who was your first kiss? Describe your first kiss.
Ew, I don't want to.
Describe it.
I don't like
How
him.
old were you?
Around 17.
She says 18 is when you should date, but this woman had her first kiss at 17.
Yeah.
What a hypocrite. Was it awkward?
Yeah.
Where do babies come from?
Ask your mom.
The whole reason they ask you this is because they're too scared to ask their mom.
Google.
Have you ever gotten arrested? Have you ever been close to getting arrested? Even I want to know this.
Never. I was always a good kid.
If you say so. Is it okay according to Indian parents to have safe sex before marriage?
See, you have to remember that every action has a consequence. I'm not propagating anything. It has to be with the right person. Don't do it just for the heck of it, because your entire generation these days is like hopping from one to another. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
It comes with its own consequences. So
When you're ready.
Yeah, when you're ready.
And with the right person.
With the right person.
Yeah. What would you do if I got a... This is the person asking. What would you do if I got a tattoo of a boy's face on my arm or leg?
Ew, please
Tattoos.
don't. Please don't get a face or oh my god, you will regret it so much when you grow out of it someday.
Next question. If I cheated on my boyfriend, would you tell them? Alia, I'm obsessed with your YouTube. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't get the
If
question.
I cheated on my boyfriend, would you tell my boyfriend? Like if you knew I cheated.
Will you tell me that you cheated?
No, but if I did.
No, why would I do that? That's your place to say and come clean.
Yeah.
And if it has come to that situation that way you have to cheat, move on.
Yeah. Have you ever done drugs?
Not actually. Weed 15-20 years back, I hated it.
Next question. Did you have a boyfriend or crush during your school days?
I was in a girls' school, so no.
I'm sure you had a crush.
That, you know, randomly you see, like when you're going to this, we used to go to the same bus stop where other like school buses also coming, so maybe you will look at somebody, but we never spoke to them, so it was maybe like hi, you know, just just that. But I wouldn't call it a crush or anything.
I don't know if I want to know the answer to this question. Where did you conceive, Alia?
I don't think I want to answer that myself.
Next question. First time you had alcohol or got drunk?
I think I was 23 or 24 when I got drunk. One of the only time I actually got drunk, because it didn't end well.
Yeah, she doesn't drink. She's the kind of person, she'll have one glass of wine and she'll have one glass of wine and she'll be
And
drunk.
I'm like la 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 land. Both of us enjoy a Bellini or a mimosa, which is sparkling wine. Anything based with sparkling wine I love.
Yeah. What do you think about moving in with your partner when you're still a teenager? Like let's say 18, 19. I'm guessing, because I'm sure you wouldn't move in before that, but...
Yeah, I'm also hoping that you would move in before that. It has its pros, it has its cons, but I always like, don't do it just because you want to fit in.
Yeah. Next question. Do boys ever mature? I'm guessing that's a no.
No, I've met some great guys. Great friends I have who have matured. As you call them, matured. But yeah, I guess they catch up sometime.
I read on Google that guys reach their peak of emotional maturity at the age of 25. And so if I saw this meme or something where it says if he's still acting like an asshole, and he's over 25, move on, because he's not going to mature. What age should I lose my virginity? I don't think there's an age.
No, like I always say, it's again a choice.
Yeah.
Right person, your consent. Do not do it just for the heck of it.
Yeah.
And please wait if you can, to be very honest. You know, it's like
Like, don't be in a hurry to do it.
You don't have to prove anything to anybody.
I feel like you shouldn't be in a hurry. Like, it shouldn't. It's not like what
it's
age
not a
should
thing,
I? Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I want to know this. What do you think about 420 Blaze It?
What? What the hell is that?
What do you think about 420 Blaze It?
What?
Nothing. Let's move on. Was I a mistake or an accident?
You were not planned, that's for sure.
So I was an accident. Is it okay to be in a relationship at 17?
Listen, I don't know what is your generation idea of a relationship, to be very honest. It's the same questions going round and round again.
Yeah, but what do you think at 17? To be dating at 17?
I mean, honestly, it's a personal choice. You know what it is. I mean,
I think it depends on the guy.
Depends on the guy. Depends on you. What is it? I mean, the thing is about that age that everything is too serious. Suddenly, the first love, first romance is like, oh, this is the end of my life. Like I always tell Alia, I used to tell her that if you come with your first boyfriend, to me, it'll be your bum and my gun. You know.
Next question: can you fall in love with two men at the same time?
I have no idea. It can be an attraction. I don't think it will be
love.
I mean, I'm sure you.
There's actually this quote by Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp said I think it was Johnny Depp. He said that if you're in love with someone, or if you're in a relationship and you fall in love with someone else, then you were never in love with the first person to begin with.
Yeah, it's that age where you will keep on kind of getting attracted to a lot of, you know, different people.
Yeah.
Be it a girl or a guy or whatever it is.
Would you support me if I accidentally got pregnant?
I would say please don't.
Yeah.
No, because having a child is a completely different ball game.
Yeah.
Enjoy your life, stand on your feet. Don't even like think about it. I mean, just settle first. Seriously.
Yeah.
I don't think you should have your first child before 30. That's what I believe in.
Next question, which I also want to know the answer to. Why are we teenagers sometimes too young and sometimes too old when it's like convenient for you guys?
Why is it convenient for you guys to take your parents for granted?
Have you ever known that I'm sneaking out of the house and decided to let it go?
You told me when you snuck out of the house. You left.
I was too scared.
You were not scared. You were like, no, I've never sneaked out.
I've never sneaked out. The only time I did like anything remotely close to sneaking out
funny.
Was my 19th birthday in
and
January.
She left a message on my phone saying I'm sneaking out in case if you wake up and don't find me. And I was like,
I was like, you know what? If she if she wakes up, because it was my birthday.
With Alia, I have always kind of been like, you know, she's a very sensible girl. So I didn't have to worry about her sneaking out. And when she used to tell me about her friend sneaking out, I gave her a house key. I don't want her to roam around on the road in the night or go to some random homes where I don't have any control of who's there in the house and where she's going. Rather she comes back.
You make me sound like a party girl. I wasn't like a party girl.
You enjoy partying.
Yeah, but I'm not like a...
No, you enjoy partying. I'm not like that. But what I'm saying is it's all about safety.
Yeah.
It was only out of concern.
Yeah.
I mean, you got friends who sneaked in with you and you think I don't know. That's a different thing and I never brought it up. But I know. As long as they're safe here, I'm fine.
Yeah.
You know, so...
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
What the...
Someone asked what your thoughts are on the people I've dated and if you have a least favorite and a favorite.
No, it is just passage of time. I mean, I have honestly no opinion about that. If I felt that she was with somebody who I felt uncomfortable with, I would have anyway put a stop to it.
Yeah.
And I can do that. I can come down really hard when I want to. She knows that.
What do you feel when we take out mistakes in your cooking? How do you feel?
Maybe.
I know a lot of people get offended. You get offended? I mean, I don't think I've ever taken out mistakes.
I'm a damn good cook.
Yeah, she is a good cook. I've never really pointed out mistakes.
I'm an experimental cook, but whatever I cook, kind of, I think it's maybe once or twice disaster and we loved it off.
Yeah.
We did make something during quarantine which was shit. I don't remember.
Cake. I think we made some
horrible.
cake. It's the worst thing ever.
I loved it. She hated it.
It's disgusting. How do Desi parents feel about LGBTQ?
See, this is a country where there's a lot of people are conservative. I have no problem with that, but then that's my personal. I mean, it took me a while to get little comfortable with that idea, because I remember you asking me one day, what if I come out and tell you that I was gay? And my natural reaction was, it's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay. I don't know about, but yeah, it can be. See, please, you have to understand that all the parents are coming from very different spaces and different backgrounds. It's going to be tough for them. Some will never understand, and some maybe will grow into it and into time and accept it.
What are your thoughts on casual dating? I explained what casual dating was to you, like 2
I
nights
still don't
ago.
understand it. I really don't understand it. What the hell is that?
Like when you just casually go on dates, like you're not like in a like exclusive relationship.
Please,
you're just like
move
dating
on.
around.
Next question.
What will happen if I lost mom's Tupperware box?
I think I'll kill you.
Yeah, she gets so angry when I like.
I don't get angry. I get
You get
annoyed
annoyed.
because you lose them like
I remember when I used to be in school. Every day I used to forget to bring my dabba back home.
That was annoying because I was bloody. I think Amazon has my biggest orders of tiffins only.
And the last question: how do you accept a growing child's independence?
There are times with Alia also when I struggle a lot with a lot of things, but in my head I'm very clear about being a friend.
Yeah.
I think she's a pretty grounded person anyway, so I think I know so. That's it. Are we done?
Yes, so that was all the questions. I chose the ones that were most often asked, like I chose the most asked questions. And yeah, I hope
It comes with a disclaimer that that's my opinion.
yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. That was it for my mom answers questions. You're too afraid to ask yours. And I hope this helped you guys out in any way. I hope you guys got inspired by this woman right here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment,
Subscribe.
and
I don't know.
share.
And share.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye bye.